Welcome everyone to another Alive Friday where we get to answer all of your questions. And this week we actually have 3 questions from all of you lovely people. So Sam, what is our first question?
Our first question is from Mayong, and she is asking, is it necessary for a beginner VA with prior experience as an office assistant to have a portfolio?
Yeah, so I think there's a few things to think about here. It all depends on what services you're going to provide. And if you're providing like executive assistant, admin type services, then there's no need to have a portfolio necessarily, because it's a little harder to put things in there. And I've never had anyone ask for a portfolio when they're wanting like inbox management and EA type services. However, for those who are creating or providing creative services, websites, graphic design, social media, all of those types of things, then absolutely you definitely need to have a portfolio. And it could be as simple as having something on your LinkedIn profile. There's a space in your experience to actually put links to things and upload documents. So you could put it there. Otherwise, you could always have a web page or somewhere that people could go to. And if you are at the stage where you have a website, then absolutely one of the pages on your website should be a portfolio.
Yeah, agreed. If you're just offering general admin types of services, I don't think anyone's really going to want to see how you format a document or something like that. But as Joe has just pointed out, if you're going to be offering the more creative type of services, absolutely you need something. I know on my website, I have a range of the websites that I've done, the logos I've done, as well as social media, a lot of social, an example of the types of social media graphics that I was producing when I was offering social media services. So people are probably going to be looking for that type of thing, but that's only a certain type of services that you're going to need that for.
Yeah, absolutely. And for example, if you're creating, if you're having a social media management service, then your social media has to be really good, because that is part of your portfolio.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's it. That's going to be the first place that people look. So that is really just another version of a gallery or portfolio of your work.